All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Mustang. It is the premium package. This beautiful electric blue with like a tan and black interior, two-tone interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, heated and cooling seats, fog lights, 26,000 miles, and best of all, minimum damage. Front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty decent. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread is under 730 seconds, above 4. Actually, starts calling them out. This is about 630 seconds right there. This is rear, your door looks good. Your rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing on this one either. Let's check out your tire thread, which is at 430 seconds. Let me double check that. Get into the groove. That's correct. Actually at 530 seconds. 430 seconds, as you can see right there. Boom. 4.5. Here's a nice shot of your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Push start system. Turn on the lights and stuff. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. Got your backup camera, POW, AC controls right down below, heated and cooling seats, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights except for see lights on. It needs some gas, and it does have airbag light on. And your mileage of 26,194 pretty much completes the tour. Keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Coming around. Rear bumper looks pretty decent. Deck lid looks good. Rear trunk space, pretty nice. Does have spare tire here with some tools. Seems to have some scuffing here. 3, 6. Some scuffing here, about 6 to 7 inches. This quarter does have a heavy scratch right here. Let's see, about 2 inches. Boom. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing back here. Tire thread. 630 seconds. About 2 inch heavy scratch on the quarter. Another one there. This door looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise on your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Coming around. Fender looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. I'm sorry, your front passenger rim. And your tire thread here is 730 seconds. Let me double check that. 630 seconds to be exact. Lights are working. Things are on, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a 2016 Ford Mustang premium package with 26,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.